Hi everyone, let's see in this video how quickly and very easily you can add file upload elements on your forms. So I have this Hakan test form created in my org already, and if I want to see the form itself, I can just go to form sharing, click on the form URL, and as you see, it's an active form, a very clean, nice looking form here, a very simple one too. But I want to add a file upload element on this form because I want to, get some files uploaded by my clients. So what I need to do is on the left side on the form builder page, as you see, there are form elements. What you need to do is you just need to take this file upload element, and wherever you want to add it on the page, you can just drag and drop on the page. And here you just need to click, if you click on the file upload element as well, on the right side you will see the properties. You can change the label of this file upload. Let's say you want to do this, let's say this is for a driver's license, like, right? So you can change the label of it. You can change what type of files your users could upload, and if this is required or not, you can make that change as well. If you want to see this field, this file upload element on one single row, so you don't want them to be able to add new fields right next to it, for example, you can set this here. Or if you want to change the field width, for example, you want to somehow make it, taking the whole row or not, you can make that change too. And here you just need to select also file parent record. When there is a submission using this form, where do you want this file to be uploaded? It's going to be, in my case, let's say the account, I want it to be related to the account record created when there is a submission. So if I go to my form, as you see, I don't need to publish anything. I don't need to do any field mappings or anything like that. Everything is already ready for me. I refresh it, and driver's license is right here. So let's say Hakan Taimas test account 2, just because I'm making a lot of tests, I want to make sure this is distinctive. You can see it right away, and selecting, some of the fields here, assigning some values, Hakan and Taimas, and I want to upload a file here too. I have different something actually from here. And if I do the submission, what's going to happen is you see there are two objects that I'm using on this form, account and contact. So when there is a submission using this form, it will create an account record and a related contact record. And I have the file upload element on the form as well, and I want this to be related to the account record. So if I go to the Sales Cloud, the accounts, and then if I just refresh my page, as you see, Hakan Taimas test account 2 is here created. There is a related contact, Hakan 1 Taimas 1 is created as well. And if I check the files here too, I have the file that I uploaded using the file upload element right here too. And it's related to the account record, not contact record. If I want this to be related to the contact record, I could do that too. But this is how file upload works with BreezyBit. It's so easy, so quick. File upload limits, you can add actually um, as many file upload elements on your page as you want. It doesn't have to be just one. If you want to collect multiple files on the same form, you can definitely do that, and you can select which object you want this to be related to. And for each file, there is a 10 megabyte limit. So it's going to be much, much more than enough actually than your needs in many cases. But this is how it works. Thanks for listening. Bye bye. See you in the next video.